BZ on the beat, bitch.
Listen up, homie, I ain't with that fuck shit. I ain't with that fuck shit. I ain't with that fuck shit. Say, listen up, homie, I ain't with that fuck shit. I ain't with that fuck shit. So keep that shit from around me, homie. Yeah, listen, homie, I ain't with that fuck shit. I ain't with that fuck shit. I ain't with that fuck shit. So keep that shit from around me, homie. Keep that shit from around me. Keep your punk ass out my county. Keep your punk ass out my county. Bitch, we don't fuck with the fake shit. No, never that. We is some real G's, nigga. All we do is come and attack. We holler back at the boys that think they got it, man. What did you say you make noise? Come and holler at a boy like me. I'm just a king. We do it just like this. I had no business to stand on it, and you know that shit. I come at anybody that think that they got it from me. If you wanna go for me, go ahead and do it on the beat. Cause I promise you I will take you out, you will see. Ain't nobody got it like GCB. That is my team, those are my boys. I promise you we make that noise. We coming hard, we gon' go ahead and stomp your yard. Fuck y'all talking about, y'all niggas don't be knowing what we be doing. We handle business, making moves, man. We in this bitch, I'm telling you, that's all I do, man. Y'all niggas what? Y'all stuck up there and y'all clueless. What is the movement that y'all think y'all doing? It ain't shit to a boy like me. I'm king, I'm beast mode, bitch. That nigga right there, making his way in the game. Don't compare yourself to me, cause I ain't no flick. I'm a G, and you was a little thing. You ain't never gonna be as big as me. Just watch and see. I'm telling you, this gonna be me on the top of the TVP. Hey, I'm doing this, I'm letting loose. I told these boys this is BZ boy coming through in the booth. Holla back at your boy, cause I don't see nobody else. I'm doing this, nigga, I ain't doing it for my health. I'm telling you, I'm doing for stuff. It's BZ, I'm the chef. I could've been the ref. Fuck them, I don't need chef. I got it for myself, I do this shit. I am a motherfucking boss. Do it, nigga, watch a nigga do the roster. I'm a king and I'm cautious what you do. Y'all niggas nauseous, y'all be leaving all them cautious that the people talking on you. Y'all niggas know nothing. We telling y'all niggas gon' be blowing in the wind. So rudimentary little niggas gotta go and spend a little bit of the temptation and time again. When they go out of this bullshit that they in, they gonna understand that they fucking with real kings, man. They in the nines of them, they never gonna be on. They talking a lot of shit. BZ boy at his home, he at his throne, and at his door, doing him, killing game, killing everything, what he do again? Beast Mode BZ and this bitch destroying game. Ain't that what I do? I told them boys I being so lame. Don't come in my face attacking me with bullshit. If you got something honest, stand on it and do it quick.